Guess we want to go this way-ish? Hoo-ha! Try to grab you. Got all your little buddies, friends. Yes. So we're gonna do this. Take that. Scumbag gluons. Gluons, oh, the sticky bits. Missile time! Oh, I have to do the thing. Is it this? Go. Left. You see, roll down the river. Rolling on a river. Bam! Woohoo! Ooh, we need one more guy. We need more little green guy. Oh. No! This way. Ow! I died. I disintegrated.
Oh, what?
Oh, and all that progress got lost. Oh God! We're gonna have to do all this stuff again. Ah. There's guys up there. What are they doing? Yeah, take that. You'll not steal my guy this time, Mr. Gluon. Yes, Quarks come in charge and color. They're very colorful. So are gluons. Gluons carry the force between the different colors. And they're all RGB flavored colors too, by the way.
Yeah!
Yeah. You can keep that guy. He was a jerk anyway. Woohoo! I'm gonna collect lots of quarks. It'll be delicious. You can be my friends. I want you. And I want you. And we can do it here. Yeah. That's Mogwai guy. I don't know where I'm going with that. Upwards, not downwards, and leftwards. Now remember, don't do the little ball thing when you're on a downward slope. Just end in tears. Yeah. Squishy. See, the thing with Schrodinger's cat, though, is that you didn't quite tell if the cat was alive or dead. And that's the mystery of uncertainty. Being in multiple states at once without being able to observe what's going on, so you might as well treat it as being in multiple states at once. I have a lot of distracted dudes. He went
Quarktacular!
Hey, do I get bonus points for having more guys? Or is that just a thing? Hey, there's a hatch here. Whee! Entering the Quark pond, oh dear. It's a tub playground full of all sorts of quarks. Wear your shoes in the Quark pond. That guy over there. He seems dangerous. That's wait, that's. Oh, shoot, that's a shoot. That's not what I wanted. Whee! And, there we go. I want to talk to this guy.
Hey, who's this charming fellow?
Hello! He's a charm quark. Charm quarks. So the quarks introduced so far, up and down, are all like what neutrons are made out of. And the top and bottom quark, well, they're actually like really heavy. And so it's kind of weird to have so many bottom quarks hanging around. And let's do this. Go. Clever. Careful not to fall off the thing. Woohoo! Let's do that again. Okay. More dudes! Come on over. And so yeah, it's a little, yeah, so they're actually much more difficult to get going in any sort of context as far as particle physics goes. Because there are, you know, the heavier the mass, in general it's harder to make it. It's true for atoms. It's true for quarks. It's true for leptons. It's true for your mama. Seems like a problem up there. How do I get past that? I don't know. I die, apparently. I disintegrated.
Combo fail!
Damn it. Do I have to pick up the dude again? Okay, he's not there. That's a shooting. I didn't mean to do that. Oh god, what's going on? Trap. And let's see what that does. Net. Missile! I don't know if I missed something. I probably lost something there. Now live in the relative safety of the quark bond. Yeah, maybe a few particles on the loose. Gluons, leptons, bosons. We're on it. Bosons seem to be few in number. They might be a problem. You okay over there?
Man, that guy at the front gate wasn't kidding. Where in the name of Sheldon Glashaw does this gargantuan bundle of subatomic bizarrity hail from?
Say Higgs boson.
All right, time to make the donuts. Avast! What say ye, foul creature of the infinitesimal realm?
I think he's a cop. Small cop, specifically. See the hat?
Name's Gelman. I work here.
Hi, Gelman.
Oh, right. Sorry. Are your fingers caught under that or something?
No, I'm trying to ship this boson back to its enclosure before
Bosons are pretty big.
wakes up. What about you, soldier? You here for the cleanup, or you just here to look pretty?
I do look
Don't
pretty.
say both.
Wasn't going to.
Don't lie.
Okay, I was.
Well, you are duality, all that.
Name, Schrodinger's cat. I was told to report to the nucleus.
Reinforcements! Excellent! Zwag's handling the nucleus situation for the moment.
Here's
In the
Zwag.
meantime, all of the zoo personnel are on rogue particle retrieval duty.
Like this guy
That's all
sometime.
they've been eating. When the rest of your team gets here, I suggest we split into 3 groups.
Team?
You know, those 4 guys behind me.
Seriously? You're it? Holy Higgs, this is gonna be a long day.
Oh,
Can you bring me up to speed on the situation?
Report! At 0.0000800 hours, the entire particle zoo lost containment.
It's like Jurassic
Any and
Park.
every creature in this Higgs forsaken place took the liberty to run rampant and unchecked. Check that. Not every creature. Strange was still safely inside the nucleus, thank Higgs, with charm field in effect.
charming.
I have no idea what you just said.
With Strange contained, immediate priority is to return all rogue particles to their respective enclosures to lift quarantine.
Don't you mean quarantine?
That was terrible.
Sorry, these particle jokes are all new to me.
You're more of a wave cat.
What can you tell me about these rogue particles?
They're sneaky, nasty, ravenous, curious, stubborn, and dumb.
Can you be more specific?
They're Americans.
Listen, soldier, I've only got 9 hands. I don't have time to hold yours when there's an entire zoo gone AWOL. You see those numbers behind you?
Yes.
Sure do.
That's how many nasties are still loose out there.
Gotta keep
If
them
you
all.
see one of them, you take them out any way you can, you hear me?
Violence.
Loud and clear.
Once they're out, you send them back to their respective enclosures.
Okay.
Numbers go down, lights turn green, and we all get to go home. Now, get to work.
Okay.
How do I take them out?
Violence.
Skills, stealth, studying behavioral patterns, throw something at them, or a good swift kick to the chops. Take your pick, Slick.
How about all of those? And
How do I send them back to their zones?
magnets.
Holy Higgs, man, use your resources. You're going to need something protective, like an outer shell.
Protective. Check.
And you're gonna need to make the outer shell pretty solid.
Like a snake.
Solid. Gotcha.
Then find a way to transport it where it needs to go.
So a solid, protective, mobile thingamajig.
That's what I said.
I should be able to manage that with my resources.
So basically,
I hope we understand each other.
I think we do.
Why don't you try to dispatch this big fella for me?
Let's do this like Brutus.
Who is Brutus?
he's a Roman guy.
A man who did things, I guess?
Remember, take him out, then fly him home. Got it?
Got it. It's on like Donkey Kong.
What's a Donkey Kong?
Never mind.
Dismissed.
It's a video game character. Whee! So,
Permutastic!
glorious.
Solid, protective, mobile. I like the way you think.
And thinking is one of my least developed qualities.
Is that a fact? Listen, why don't you take the rest of this section? Mostly gluons left around here anyhow. Basically harmless.
Yeah.
Unless you're a quark.
Yeah,
Dismissed.
because gluons, you know, they're all attractive to quarks.
Quarktacular!
Hello. So how about like that? We all like, hey! And then we just do a little of everything. Send them off like that. Okay, so we're basically doing a collect all the things thing. Got it. This looks like a no, that's not it. I don't have any up ones. There we go. Collect all the dudes again. There's like a whole area up there. Yeah. Oh, I can do this. I can like so. You know, like hey guy, Quark guy. Well, slowly. Tear through this. Slowly. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to have more of these dudes. Popping up over here. I don't know what that means. Alright, so
Dismissed.
remember not to try to jump near these guys. I want to see what's through here. Nothing. I should have checked the mini-map. Up, there we go. Up, down. Do. I don't know how I ended up inside the block there, but it's a thing you can do. And around like that. I'm just gonna bust on through. Protect my guys. What do I do? There we go. Ain't too many keys. I forget about that. There we go. Another one down. Another one down. Another one bites the dust. This is quite fun and clever, actually. It's sort of plan your moves and do your thing. Oh, wrong thing. I'll get it figured out eventually. Trying to steal my guys? Trying to steal my guys? Oh, it's like too far away. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, I don't have another up. Go that route. Yippee, indeedy. And I need up. Like so. And that's not what I wanted to do, but okay.
Nice!
Woohoo. And like a so. And don't really want to fall off the edge of the world there, so I'm not going to do that. Yeah, not that combination. I was hitting the wrong keys. Wow. Yeah, there. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. I want to do the thing with the stuff. I want to make them suffer.
Nailed it!
Hey, don't do damage. And I want to jump up there, but I can't. Yeah, maybe if I get up here, then I can get the dude, and we can try to get out of here. Jump, jump, and away with him. Okay. So we're like basically on the cosmic fetch quest of the universe. Sort of. I don't know. Quantum mechanics. Probably should be not playing this time I am, but you know that's I'm a crazy person. I wanna go down a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'm not going after that guy right now. And how do I get out of here? Go away. And down, down, down. Oh, I don't have a right one. Now I do. Ooh, yeah. There's a lot of dudes over here. I'm gonna go grab them. Yeah, this is pretty fun. I don't understand though. Where's the earth-shattering command? So tired of this. Oh. Guess I could just grab him anyway. There we go. Oh, you can missile any way direction you like. That's actually useful. Let's see about this. Woo-hoo! That's not gonna work. How about we just missile his face? So, there we go. Take that. Probably should have done that for these guys over here, but oh well. It's a thing. Like the hidey hole paradox or spinach. I don't much like it, but I'll deal in absolutes. Wow. Still got that guy down there, though. I'm not quite sure how to deal with him. Like so, there we go. Alright. That wasn't so bad. And we're gonna come back to the main area here. What does this one do? I don't remember. Okay, that's the parachute. I keep trying to go left when I should be going down for a lot of these. Okay, missed exactly what I was trying to do, but... There we go. Hey guys, I'm here to rescue you from the weird squid guy.
Kula-bula!
Indeed, Kula-bula to you too. So I'm hoping when I finish this up that they're gonna give me something cool. Or maybe they'll just give me a thanks and send me on to the next quest. Yeah, I was kind of hoping to have more of a thing to bounce off of as far as conversation goes, but that's okay!
Yeah, baby!
Oh, I like that. Aha! Work for me, Bottoms. Yeah, Daddy? What? That's not what I wanted to do. Let's give me the parachute again. And just don't do it there. Yay, dudes! Oh, I can't get out like that. Alright, never mind. And are you gonna let me kill you? Nope. I'm gonna get squished to the side of the wall. There we go. Go away, said the cat. Haha, kitty cat. Alright, sure what the right is about. Maybe I actually do wander off the world and into other areas. Left. Left, right, left.
Slabam!
I want to make sure I can access these goons down here. And... like so. They all have their own dudes there. They're molesting them. Damn those gluons. I have so many Quarks now. They're gonna do horrible, horrible things to these poor particles. Take that! And that! And that! I am violent to the max.
Nailed it!
People should not let me
Sweet.
teach their children now.
Permutastic!
Gluon abuse. Be careful here. Roll!
Fizztastic!
Okay. What do we got going on here? Okay, we're up here now. Is there any more gluons to worry about? No. I guess not. We got all the guys.
Yeah!
I'll take that. And that. And that. Meanwhile, in the Hall of Justice.
What have we here? Ah, so this is the famous cat I've heard so much about. Well, color me amused. This should make things more... entertaining.
Yay.
Do let me know if he gets up to anything particularly meddlesome, would you?
Particles. Particular
There's a good chap.
matter. Yeah. Yeah, scratch that ear, yeah. Quark Pond. Zoo. Action. Adventure. What's anything up there? Sort of. There's some guys. Beware. Gluons are thieves. Ooh. Ooh, there's leptons here. This could be a bad time. Those are leptons, aren't they? You're not gonna leap on ice. Yeah. Come on, little guy.
Hey there, Gelman. How'd you get here so fast?
Magic.
Oh, for the love of... I'm Swag! Why can't anyone get that right? It's real simple. He's cornflower, I'm Azure.
Hi, Azure.
That's not hard, is it?
Sorry, I'm new here. I'll know for next time.
See that you do.
So, color me confused.
You and Gelman look a lot alike. Is there some easy way to tell you apart? I mean, besides the really obvious cornflower azure thing?
Well, one of us always tells the truth.
Uh-huh.
And the other one gets really angry when you forget his name.
Ah.
I guess you're the one that tells the truth.
I was told to report to the nucleus. Is this the nucleus?
No.
Negative, sir. It's the door to the nucleus.
Seems like a bad
To
time.
rephrase the question, if I were to go through that door, would I be at the nucleus?
Negative. You would be in the hallway that leads to the nucleus.
Damn it, stop being obstinate.
You're messing with me, aren't you?
Just pedantically logical, sir.
Well, at least he's scientific about it.
What is the nucleus exactly?
The nucleus serves two purposes. One, the nucleus is the central command area of the particle zoo. Everything in the zoo is controlled from there. Two, the nucleus houses the most dangerous particle ever discovered. The strange quark.
It's not that dangerous. To be honest, you know, it's just as dangerous as a top, a top quark in the wrong place at the wrong time. It's much safer than like a bottom quark. Anyway.
Oh, please. How could one of these little quarks possibly be dangerous?
Radiation.
Dangerously adorable, maybe.
Aww.
If the strange quark escaped and came in contact with anything, He would kick off a catastrophic chain reaction that would convert all existing matter into strange matter.
That's
And
not
life
true.
as we know it would be swallowed up in its all-consuming wake of goo.
But it's not
Yikes.
true. It's just.
So
it's
they
just not
tell
true.
me. I'll just guard the door.
So yeah, that's not a thing, guys. Don't worry about it. Anyway,
I need you to let me through this door.
I'm afraid that's just not gonna happen.
okay.
But I'm the expert, the hero.
No can do.
Oh no.
You summoned me.
Sorry, can't help you. Nobody gets in or out.
Why not? Do I need to complete some kind of contrived personal favor? Get you a waffle cone, or a fake work order, or glue a mustache to my face?
Waffles.
Negative. None of those would be the least bit helpful in this situation.
Are you
Not
sure?
unless those little orange Hebees like waffle cones, that is. P.S. They don't. I've tried.
Those orange guys, the ones flying up there.
What are these little orange Hebees anyway?
Haven't a clue, but they're
Jimmies.
keeping me out as much as you. Can't get around them, can't get through them, don't even know what they are.
Really? I thought they were just a part of your average, everyday, run-of-the-mill subatomic security system.
Nope, I'm as baffled as you. However, I was never that clever to begin with, which is why I'm guarding a door.
Okay.
They remind me of something I've seen before.
Like the guys behind.
Yeah, they sort of look like charm quarks, which are pretty rare themselves, I might add. But at the same time, these guys are the least charming quarks I've ever met.
Anti-charm
They're so
quarks.
uncharming, it's like they suck all the charm out of the room.
Charm Quark? You must be talking about this guy.
Bing.
That's the guy. See what I mean, though? These ones are... Hey, what the...
Oh God.
Hey, what the indeed? Is that normal?
That's
No,
the first time for me.
we're all radiated. They're anti-charm quarks. I'm pretty sure. Anyway,
Alright, so if either one of us wants to get in here anytime soon, we're going to need like a bucket of charm quarks to counteract whatever these are.
Couldn't have put it better myself. Hey, you know who you should talk to? Burton.
Tim.
Burton's way smarter than me. Knows moles about the charm quark.
Where can I find Burton?
Usually eats his breakfast and reads the papers over by the lagoons. By the way, don't call him old-timer. He hates it.
Is he
Got
old?
it. Hold on a tick. I just had a terrifying thought. So you said
Just
the nucleus commands everything in the zoo,
Correct?
but the only door to it has been sealed.
Dun,
Yep.
dun, dun.
Nobody can get in.
Not even you, because your way has been blocked by creatures you've never seen before.
Affirmative.
You who works at a zoo that claims to house every particle in the known universe,
Right again.
including one capable of consuming all matter in existence, which you keep behind this same door.
Also correct.
And this doesn't seem, I don't know, sinister to you?
Pretty damn sinister.
You better go find Burton.
Yeah.
Oh, that Burton. We're on it. Just lots of little dudes floating everywhere. Yes. Okay, so there's blue ones down there. There's happiness down there.
Sweet.
Whoa. Hey, Gus. What's that? You're my buddies. The buddy system. A better buddy tomorrow.
Sweet.
Yoink. Yoink. I want up there. Whoa. Go away. And it goes pop, okay. And no. Oh, that's Doom. Doom! Oh, don't steal my heart, Santorina. Left. Not gonna work. Oh God. That just didn't work. Okay. Boink. Boink. We all like, Ninja! Oh god. I'm dead.
Just to put a positive spin on it, let's give this one an F+.
Fair enough. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day. This has been pretty fun, actually. Hey, guy. We're gonna go collect some monsters. We're gonna get some charm quarks. We're gonna have some good times here. Particles. Particle physics. Till next time, everybody. Meow.